Hi, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of my favorite channels and my favorite artists. I was so excited to wait for her October release to get some of these things. And what's funny is I have followed her for literally years on Instagram and just recently found out that she had a YouTube channel. So her name is Randy Reed, and I'll link all her stuff below, her channel, her website, all of that. But look at this sticker here. I'm going to carefully get this off so I can keep him because he's just too cute not to keep, right? And she is also another firm believer, just like me, of using as much eco-friendly packaging as you possibly can. So I'm going to be able to compost this packaging. So I was really excited for these ornaments. As soon as I saw the ornaments, I was just like, I have to order and I have to do it fast. And I'm so glad that I did. I didn't wait another couple hours or days or anything because she sold out of them so fast. So that's going to be this. I know that's what this is. And I'm so excited to see it. Oh my God. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. I wanted to get more than one, but I figured one is good. And I had to have the hedgehog. As I mentioned in my hedgehog soap video, which I'll link below, hedgehogs are very special animals, and they're kind of symbolic and very special to the Romani Gypsy people as well. But isn't she cute? Oh my goodness. They're all made out of wood with her little characters painted on them. I can't wait to put that on the tree this year. Like I said before, I usually try to get one decoration or ornament for Christmas and one for Halloween every year. When we moved into this new house, I did not realize that we have a great big basement, and one side of the basement leaks water, and I didn't know that. And so like a lot of my Christmas things, my wreath and all of that got destroyed in that, and it was so sad. So I thought, well, then that's how I'm gonna make it better, is that every year now I'll collect something new. So this is my ornament for this year. Last year was that Craft Spring Angel, which I love too. So now this, I know this is that flower seed paper. She's another person that loves to do that as well as I do. And so you can actually plant that. Look how beautiful her tissue paper is. Again, I'm one of those people where I'll keep everything to reuse, especially really beautiful tissue or ribbons or anything like that. A gift box, a gift bag. But let's just look at that paper. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? I have to squirrel the right way for you. So pretty. Okay, so this again, she wraps her cards in that seed paper and recycled paper envelopes. But I got the set of holiday cards. That's the first one. So cute. This one, she has a video where you can see her painting this one. And it's one of my favorite videos to watch. It's very relaxing. All of her videos are very relaxing. All of these with the squirrel family. This is the winter one. So each one has a different season, and you see the top of the tree above the ground and then below. I have to collect her other seasons of it, and I actually want the book that she has on her website. So that'll be my next purchase from her, is that book. This one's so cute too. The Fox family. reading for Christmas. Now, some of these I am going to actually like send to my mom and my sister, but the others I thought I could frame them, which is what I'm doing with some of the Cottage Fairies work too, is that cards are a little bit cheaper than a print and a little bit smaller, but you could still slip them into a frame and have a framed piece. So isn't that one cute too? Oh my goodness. And here's the Fox family's home for Christmas. The first one was the squirrel. This is the fox. And again, there's a video where she shows painting this one too. I love the little bluebirds up there. Their little table. Isn't it just spectacular? I'm trying to hope it stays in focus. And then this one with the ice skaters. And then this is the last one. They're all just so incredibly beautiful. Another thing you could do that I've thought of is, and the cool thing about if you just slipped them into a frame, is that you could take them back out, as I thought that you could make like a scrapbook of them or almost like a photo album of them and make your own art book of artists that you love. That way you could collect their pieces but make it in a really pretty book form. So special. And then this was things that she just gave me. I love this too. This again, if you found a very small frame, would be such a pretty decoration for fall time, for Thanksgiving. The badger's sitting there reading. And it all has all her information here. And then this piece was really, really cute too. All these wonderful fall things. And she wrote my name. So thank you so much for watching. There'll be several more of these as I shop for my friends and family, for my kids, for Christmas and birthdays. I encourage you, as always, to shop small. Not just mine, but all the shops I show here and those on Etsy. There's even handmade shops on Amazon if you're an Amazon person, as well as shop your local shops and cute little stores in your town. It's so important that we support each other's businesses and that we keep our well-earned money out of the hands of corporations that aren't doing such good things in the world. There's nothing like supporting an artist, especially one as talented as Randy. So next week, there'll be another soap video. But for now, thank you for watching today. Take care.